Hola YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Beauty by Lenore across all my social media platforms. If you would, please go ahead and share my video, thumbs up the video, and of course get a conversation started with me in the comment section below. But as you guessed it, we're going to be doing this haul that came in from ULTA, and I went ahead and split up all of my hauls from ULTA according to the different categories. This is going to be a collective haul. So the first thing we're going to collectively haul are all of my actual tools that I ordered and got in from ULTA. So if you're ready to see the tools and things we got in from ULTA, then you already know. Let's just keep watching.
You might be the one taking me home. For one thing really do
Okay guys, so with this one, we're just going to go ahead and grab and go as they actually come. So the first thing that I got in, and this was during the holiday, this was a $42 value, a $25 for the actual gift set, and this is by It Brushes, their exclusive line that they produce only for ULTA Beauty. And this is your Starry-Eyed brush trio. I'm going to go ahead and leave the price of it right there for you guys. You guys do get 3 different brushes in this actual pack, and these are pretty much just all eyeshadow blending brushes, but they're all the little tapered pinch brushes. So let me go ahead and show you guys these brushes close up. See? They're all the little tapered little pinch brushes. And I really do like the little starry-eyed handles. It looks like little stars. It looks like the sky at night. That's really, really pretty. So that is the first item that we got in. Second item that we got in, and this is coming from It Brushes again. This is all a part of the Celestial Starry Eyes Night collection. They say this brush is worth $56. It's a $48 value, and this is the Your Celestial Wonders Duo. This includes a full-size foundation brush and an exclusive Alex and Annie bracelet. I don't have any need for an Alex and Annie bracelet. Really not my cup of tea, and I'm not 10 years old. I do know a lot of grown people who wear them, so I will probably give this to a little girl in my actual life, but it just won't be for me. Here's the actual bracelet, and of course they give you all of these Alex and Annie stars and different things like here, and they also give you a 15% off coupon. The coupon code for Alex and Annie is going to be, if you sign up for Alex and Annie at alexandannie.com/ULTA, you'll get a 15% off of your purchase when you're purchasing from the actual site. But here is the little bracelet with all of the different little informations on it. It does say Alex and Annie for It Brushes. So yeah, that kind of sucks a little bit that they actually had to go ahead and name the actual brush, you know, put that on the actual little pendants, the little charms on the actual one. But that's pretty cute. It's a little rose gold one. And then the makeup brush is what I'm more or less interested in. The bracelet itself. But here's the actual makeup foundation brush. That's pretty. That's a pretty brush. That's really pretty. So we did go ahead and get that one in. And the next thing we went ahead and got in, they changed because it used to be, Real Techniques, this is their body blending sponge, the one you guys know I love to go in and blend out my makeup and stuff with. Yeah, it split and chunked off while I was washing it, but I'm going to keep using it until the wheels fall off. Like, I refuse. They did have a buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off sale. I don't know, child. So I went ahead and purchased 2 more of the body blending sponges, the body blender sponges from Real Techniques. They did go ahead and change their color design. So they went from that bright orange to this peachy coral type color. I'm like, okay, fine, cool, whatever. So I went ahead and got 2 of these because they're absolutely one of my favorite sponges when it comes to doing and blending out my makeup. Another favorite sponge that I love when it comes to doing blending and applying my makeup is going to be the E.L.F Cosmetics, and this is their Total Fuss Face Sponge. Absolutely love this, so I went ahead and got this. This was actually free because I had purchased two other items. I think they were doing E.L.F. It was either buy one get one half off, buy one get one free, or buy two get one free, something like that. Anyway, I know I didn't pay that much for this actual sponge. Love this sponge to blend out my actual makeup. And this is free because Ulta Beauty was doing the buy two items, get one item free. So I had already chucked some other things in my actual cart. So I just went ahead and chucked in some eye pencils so I can go ahead and get this set for free. This is the Ulta Beauty Makeup Blending Sponges. This is a two-piece pack. So this is your angled sponge right here, and this is your regular egg shape. And the egg shape is actually marble. So this is a lavender regular blending sponge, kind of like the Real Techniques, and this one is more marble, and this just a regular beauty blender type of shape. So I saw that it had pretty good reviews, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this and see how much I actually like this. Couldn't beat it for the actual price. I was looking for different makeup removers, so I did go ahead and get this when it went on sale on Ulta's website. This is the Dermablend Makeup Dissolver. Now, this had really great reviews. I didn't see anyone having like too many skin problems or issues. You pretty much just massage this into the skin to go ahead and dissolve your makeup and then rinse it off. I'm about to go take this makeup off right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it and see how it works, because I was like, I kept looking and I was like, Dermablend is a good brand. But I also went ahead and threw this Clinique Take the Day Off. This is my favorite, one of my actual favorite makeup removers, hands down, period, when it comes to removing my makeup. This and the Bioderma, oh my God, along with the makeup eraser, just being able to go in there and just like get all the eyeliner and stuff out of my actual eyes and stuff. So with this one, I'm really looking forward to seeing, can this Dermablend stack up to my OG Holy Grail favorite. And again, I went ahead and scooped this up because it went on sale. Plus, Clinique was giving away other free stuff when you made different purchases with Clinique. So I went ahead and grabbed and threw this in the bag and was able to get a pretty good price on this. So this is all of the tools and makeup removers that I was able to go ahead and collect here with all of my collective hauls. I may have placed about 35, 40 orders with Ulta. All of this are all of my orders that I did with Ulta Beauty, and some in-store receipts and stuff from when I meandered my behind in the actual store. You guys know, thanks to the pandemic, we aren't really able to get out the way we normally would want to, what we normally did in 2019. Let's make it make sense. We still go out, just not the way we did in 2019. So a lot of your items and orders are going to be online purchases. So you kind of really got to double down and read some of the reviews on it. Come to YouTube and watch some of the videos, because once you spend that money, do you have to go now take it back up to a UPS store, a FedEx store, or risk going into a store to try to take a return back? So I try to bring you guys as many things as possible and go over the different reviews, so that way you can have a better sounding board when you're spending your money for certain items. Hopefully that makes sense. But this is the end of the video. YouTube, thank you so much for coming back and spending time with me. You guys already know I love you. Thank you so much for when you're watching me. I don't care if it's in the morning, afternoon, evening, or late at night. I'm just happy that you chose to come back and spend some time with your girl. And as always, thank you, YouTube. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. Bye.